Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that feels comfortable for you. Take a nice, filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Life is an adventure. Sometimes the adventure can feel good, and sometimes it can feel overwhelming. Today, we are going to be focusing on the good by going back in our memories to explore some of our happiest moments. With each prompt, try to recall a full and detailed memory of when you felt really good. Let's try it. Try to remember a time that you felt really, really happy. Dig through your memories and think of a happy memory where your heart was full. What memory comes to mind for you? Who was there with you during this happy time? What was happening that makes you feel so happy? Try to remember all the little details of this experience. Maybe you even notice your heart feeling happy again just by remembering this time. Let this feeling of happiness grow inside of you. Now, remember a time that you felt excited. What memory comes to mind when you think of being excited? What is something you are really excited about? Who was with you in this memory? Now, remember a time that you laughed really hard. Recall a memory of you laughing. What had happened? Who made you laugh? How did your body feel when you were laughing this hard? Remember a time that you felt successful or proud of yourself. Remember a time that you felt that you really accomplished something great or overcame something that was really hard. A time that made you feel proud and successful. Remember a time now that you felt safe, loved, and comfortable. Where were you? Who were you with that made you feel this way? What does feeling loved and feeling safe feel like in your body? As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.